Do you know that the Benue people have a unique traditional similarities? One, they have traditional attire, colorful traditional attires among the three tribes in Benue State. You have the white and black, you have the blue, white and black, and the red and black. Moving on, we have traditional marriage rites among the three tribes in Benue State. Yes, traditionally, they do their marriage rites. They have traditional marriage music, dance, bride price negotiation. Yes. Next is storytelling. During the evening, the Benue people, the Benue elders gather the young ones to tell them stories of how they came into existence. See you in our next video, and also drop your opinion about the uniqueness of the Benue people.